Hey fellas, it's Bikash here. Today we are going to conduct another smart quiz session, and we'll be putting out some questions to you fellas, and we expect you to think of the answers, and as in when we give out the answers, just see how many answers you've gotten correct, test your IQ, and as the norm goes, cheating is absolutely allowed. So even if you get lesser marks, not an issue. You can tell us something false also. It doesn't matter. But to help me out with this today, I've got Amit. Amit
Hello
is an
Earthlings.
Earthlings. तू Han Solo है क्या?
Han हूँ लेकिन सोलो नहीं हूँ.
अब बेटा मानना पड़ेगा. कम से कम खुश तो है. Solo नहीं होके भी. Anyway, Amit is an academic researcher, and we together will have this session. Should I call it session? Quiz
So-
session. Quiz
yeah.
session. Smart quiz session. Yeah,
Let's
that,
call
that
it
is
that.
fine. Let's
Let's
call
call
it
it
that. Okay. Chalo. Let's start off with the first question. Huh? I'll ask the first question.
Cool. I'm ready.
You're ready. What color is vermilion a shade of?
Vermilion.
Yeah.
It's a shade of red.
You're right. सिंदूर को भी vermilion कहते हैं.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
सिंदूर को भी vermilion कहते हैं.
Yeah.
You're right.
But
You're
then again, I've seen vermilion also in shades of orange.
Have
in
you?
many places. Yeah, in many places it is more orange.
तेरा
I
से-
think it is based on the composition of the vermilion that is used.
maybe
as sindoor.
maybe so. तेरा vermilion भी rainbow जैसा है.
Rainbow जैसा.
हाँ.
Peach तो नहीं है at least.
हाँ, peach तो नहीं है at least, but हमारे option में है. Weirdly enough.
Alphabetical.
Weirdly enough. So
Anyway, moving on.
It's moving on, right? It's your turn now.
Okay, so who was the first man in space?
The first man in space was Yuri Gagarin. This I know. I have not cheated. ये हम लोग पढ़ा हुआ है. ये हमको पता है. The other options were Neil Armstrong, who is the first man
Yeah.
to land on moon, I think.
Yeah.
Then there was Rakesh Sharma,
First Indian to
First Indian,
be in space.
be in space,
But
and there was
definitely not Guri Gagarin,
Guri Yagarin,
whatever that is.
whatever that is. Yeah.
Next, Binod.
Next Binod. Maybe he's the next Binod. Guri Yagarin. बंद करो Binod. इसको ढूंढो अभी. Guri Yagarin कौन है? Search him. Okay. So let's go to the next question. My turn.
Yeah.
Which mammal lays eggs?
Oh, that's easy. Duckbill platypus.
Duck-bill platypus.
Yes.
अंडे का फंडा.
Andeka funda. Do you also know that that's the only mammal which use electroreception and also has poison glands?
Poison glands.
Yes, it's the only mammal to have that kind of a mechanism.
बाप रे बाप.
Nothing else. It's a missing link
Missing
in the
link.
evolution.
क्या बोले? कुछ समझ भी नहीं आया. Let's कॉमर्स का इंसान है ना. ये साइंस का विज्ञान झर रहे हैं हम क्या बोले. Let's go to the next question. It has gone here, flown by like a chopper. Spock.
What has 4 wheels and flies?
4 wheels and flies. यूनिकॉर्न तो नहीं होगा. क्या हो सकता है ये?
Unicorn का 4 wheels का
वही तो
है।
मैं बस फ्लाइज वाला याद है. और क्या? What can I? Got no idea.
Garbage truck. Otherwise, it could have been, I think, Jetsons का वो गाड़ी.
So, who was the first Indian to win the World Billiards Amateur title? सोचो.
Wilson Jones,
ये कैसे पता तेरे को?
because I cheated. Otherwise, I would have no clue
I
who
had-
Wilson Jones was. The only Wilson I know was from Castaway.
Castaway, yeah. When you gave the answer, a slang came up here, and then I subdued it. But Wilson Jones, by the way, was the first Indian to win a world championship in any sort of sport.
Wow,
That's
huge.
a big deal. Big
big
deal.
deal.
Awarded with Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award,
कुछ बाकी था?
lots of awards.
कुछ बाकी तो नहीं था
नहीं,
शायद.
नहीं, कुछ खास बाकी नहीं था.
He took all the
उसके
gold.
फिर-
Okay, this one is about measurement. How many feet are there in a fathom?
I can fathom that. It's 6.
6.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It is right.
Which 1991 film won the Oscars for Best Film, Best Director, Best Actor, and Best Actress?
1991. I think Silence of the Lambs.
Silence of the Lambs. You're right. Dead right. Anthony Hopkins.
Anthony
He played this psychopathic psychologist.
Hannibal Lecter.
alliteration.
Dr.
Hannibal Lecter. And there was Jodie Foster also.
Jodie Foster on
Lovely
the actress.
movie. It was eerie, scary also.
Completely,
Not a ghost
completely.
movie, but it was scary. Your turn to ask.
Okay. The highest peak in the Himalayas in this country, in India, and which state it is located in?
I
the
so
highest
want to.
peak.
I so want to say that it's in solid state, but it's Sikkim, right? And Kanchenjunga, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Yeah,
You can
view
say
it
in
from
a way Sikkim is also in solid state.
yeah.
Or the mountains are in solid state. They are all solid.
State. So that way, you can see the tip of it from Darjeeling. Also, I remember having visited
From North
there.
Bengal you can see
My
that.
God, it's picturesque, beautiful. Sight.
Amazing.
This is a tough question. I stand out tall, but the longer I stand, the shorter I grow.
Sounds like my story. But if it is not me, then probably it is a candle.
Yeah, Mombatti.
Mombatti.
Chalo. It is your turn to ask the next question.
Okay. The first chemistry lab was set in 1650. Which country was this in?
It was in Holland, no? Netherlands. That is
Yeah.
Netherlands. That is.
Yeah.
The Dutch.
Dutch.
Yeah, they Dutched in for some chemistry.
Someone said Hogwarts. Like because Snape would be so much happy.
Yeah, chemistry. Which chemistry?
Which chemistry?
Which envisaged chemistry? Yeah, they have some different sort of chemistry.
All sorts
altogether.
of potions.
Potion.
Okay, moving on.
What did the mathematician John Napier invent in 1614?
One thing that I hated doing in my school, logarithms
Logarithms.
and the anti-log.
I loved logarithm. I didn't understand much because during our days log was something alien. लॉग पढ़ाया जाएगा बेटा, आपको लॉग पढ़ाया जाएगा. हम लोग करते क्या थे, पेज पे किताब के पीछे जो लॉग बुक होता था उससे आंसर लिख के सीधा लिखते रहते.
और कैलकुलेशन को कैसे
कैलकुलेशन कौन करे, टू बिजी विद लाइफ. Very,
हम
very
सोचते थे कि अगर कैलकुलेटर है तो ये लेके हम लोग क्यों ना परेशान हैं. ओ विकी पॉन्टिंग, इसका निकनेम क्या है?
विकी पॉन्टिंग क्रिकेटर ये तेरे को पता है तो तो नहीं देखता ना. So his nickname is Punter. Punter. और जो पंटरबाजी किया था उसने 2003 फाइनल में he smacked the heck out of India's bowling attack, and a large chunk of Indians will never forgive Saurav Ganguly, great captain though, for having fielded first during that match.
That was a bad decision.
इतना धुलाई बाप रे बाप, सर्फ एक्सेल टैक बहुत धुलाई हुआ.
मुझे मालूम है क्योंकि बहुत कोई रिकी पॉन्टिंग को रिकी पॉइंटिंग बोलते हैं तो इसीलिए.
हाँ, Ricky Ponting. That was
Pointing.
the 90s thing.
Yes.
Ricky Ponting. Yeah, right. Which 5-letter word becomes shorter if you add 2 letters to it? Already laughing because I'm short.
That is the answer. I'm not.
You are in the category of giraffes. I have to sit on a cushion to get the height which he has attained.
So, which foreign country is closest to the Andaman Islands?
It seems like it's going to be Sri Lanka, but I read it once. It's Myanmar.
Yeah, because it is slightly towards the Myanmar coastline.
Yeah, but when you see the maps, that is not the idea that you get.
Yeah.
दिखने में लगता है श्रीलंका के
Because we feel
करीब है.
because thing is that Sri Lanka is closer to the Indian mainland.
Maybe
That's why we
maybe
have the
that
feeling that anything in India should be close to the mainland. But Andaman is like little much away from the mainland, so that is one of the reasons.
Maybe so. Next question. As you go down into a well, what happens to your weight? Does it increase slightly or decrease slightly, or does it remain constant, or does it become negative? Okay.
So I am tempted to say it will become negative. If it is a mystical
Negative
well we're
marking
talking
मिलेगा
about.
उसके लिए.
अगर mystical well है तो, so imagine like there is some sort of black hole inside the thing, so then it might become negative or something like that. But in normal circumstances, it should decrease slightly.
Wait. It's so weird यार. आप कैसे विज्ञान पढ़ लेता है तुम लोग? ये अजीब चीज, वेट कैसे डिक्रीज हो सकता है? मेरे को तो नेचुरल सिस्टम में वेट कैसे डिक्रीज होता है पता नहीं. ना एक्सरसाइज कर लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो.
नहीं, because that is mass नहीं होता कम, लेकिन weight कम होता है, ज़्यादा होता है based on how much the body is from the center of the earth, and acceleration due to gravity changes, उसके लिए weight भी change होता है. So if you go up or down, the weight can vary. Next.
Okay.
Albacore is a type of what?
Why is dinosaur the option? Anyway, albacore is tuna.
कौन नाम रखता है ट्यूना को इतना प्यार से? Albacore.
Albacore. It's like El Salvador. So the next question is, what is the study through which people use tools to do their work and can relate it to their working environment also called?
If there was someone else in the room, the answer might have been DIY.
Yeah, the person who did the
You know.
previous video.
Yes,
DIY.
you know
Yeah,
who.
I know who.
But the answer should be ergonomics.
Ergonomics. Yeah.
It's a study of how our movement happens in terms of our body, and how we can utilize our body to have a minimal impact. Basically, ergonomics is studied in various disciplines in terms of people who do heavy lifting or work, to know what is the best posture through which you cannot harm your body through the posture and all. So yeah, ergonomics.
Let's go to the next question. In which country was a method for making rust-resistant iron discovered in the 5th century BC?
इतना पुराना तो इंडिया ही हो सकता है.
हाँ,
India.
और इंडिया
I think
इंडिया
it's
हाँ.
India.
और कोई सिविलाइजेशन उस वक्त खास तो नहीं था. इजिप्शियन, मेसोपोटामियन, वो सभी मोटा-मोटी पैरेलल थे
My
ना.
second answer would have been Middle Earth, but I know that that's not a real country.
Middle Earth, Lord of the
The
Rings.
dwarves. The
Lord-
dwarves, they are really good at metallurgy. They
Yeah.
they have
They
mastered
are the
metallurgy.
best.
Yeah. So if not India, Middle Earth should have been the
Middle
best answer. This
Last
question is very, very important. It has a philosophical understanding to it. Also, you can think of this as an approach towards quantum mechanics. So how can door
I'm already laughing.
be not a door?
What?
How can door be not a door?
How can a door be not a door? What is this? What I'm remembering, आओ कभी हवेली पे. There was no link. पर मेरे दिमाग में वो आया.
लेकिन बहुत door है वहाँ पे.
हाँ. The answer for this: how can a door be not a door?
When the door is ajar.
When the
There's a
door
philosophy to it.
is ajar.
It's a jar. It's a jar.
Door is not a door when a door is ajar.
So ajar doors are not door. A jar is not a door.
A jar is not a door. So that's it, guys, for today's
Yeah.
video.
Yeah.
I mean, we taught less and laughed more, but that is how things are with these smart quizzes.
I hope the viewers also laughed.
Yeah, I hope you fellows laughed and got a few answers right. Okay, because we have the answers right in front of us. Sometimes we do, check in and cheat, but that is the way things go on.
We have the privilege for that.
Yeah, we have the privilege for that. True that. So so friends, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we have our pages on Instagram and Facebook. You can go ahead and check that out as well. We give tuitions to students, both physical tuitions and live tuitions, and it is nothing of this sort where we are advocating cheating and advocating stupidity. There we try to do the opposite. Of course, we have fun. So you can check about our tuition classes also on our Instagram page, and yeah, the links are given in the description. Thanks, bro. And until the next time, it is bye bye from my side, and
Bye bye. Earthlings.
bye bye Earthlings from Mr. Hans Solo, who
Non-solo.
is not solo, and happily married. Don't know kab tak, but until the next time, namaskar.